Hi everyone, it's Beatrice from Art Obsession Oz. Today we're creating something a little spooky and magical. Not so much spooky. Halloween 3D blooms in purple and green. So I was watching Laura the other day doing her little ghostly little things, and I wondered why she was just using green and purple. So I looked into it and found out why they use the purple and the pink. So why do these colors always show up at Halloween? Do they actually have a story behind them? I was actually very interested. Most people think Halloween is all about orange and black, but purple and green have their own kind of magic. Purple has always been the color of mystery, the unseen, the spiritual, and green represents life, energy, and a touch of mischief. When they come together, something changes. It feels like life and mystery meets in perfect balance. In ancient folklore, people believed purple opened the veil between worlds, while green kept us grounded in nature. Together they connect the living and the spirit world, just like Halloween itself. So that's what I love about resin. You never really control it, you just guide the flow. It's unpredictable, a little spooky, and always beautiful. So I'm applying the purple into the bloom. I'm not sure how spooky it's going to come out, but I think it'll be a pretty bloom. Everyone was making something, and I thought, well, why can't I just make something that's a bloom, but with the Halloween colors? Not that I'm into it, but I thought I'd give you a little bit of story on the colors. So I'm just putting a little bit in the middle. So they're mica powders. The green and the purple are mica powders. I didn't make them too heavy, but because I was scared that it would take over the white. And now I'm applying my white. It's a cast and craft. And I'll just do squiggly type petals, not normal petals. So I've applied the white, and now I'll try and just settle those little tiny gaps in between, and I'll see you for the unmolding. Talk soon. That came out beautiful. Green and purple. Just let me get a bowl.